Incoming EC Web Monitoring Tutorial. Tutorial number 26. Monitoring. The EC Web provides a high-level overview of the installation as well as detailed information about each individual inverter and power meter. This is an example of the first page presented under the monitoring tile. Once you have completed the commissioning, you can monitor all your reading by going to the monitoring. When you click the monitoring, you will leads to the monitoring tile where you will see utility connection, PV connection, genset connection, grid connection, commands panel, sensor, I/O data and stimulation. In case genset, PV, or utility symbol is grayed out, it means that no configuration for sensing of the associated power is made and therefore the source is interpreted as not being present by the ECPV2. In case the genset symbol is neither green nor gray, it means that all genset breakers are off. In case the genset symbol is green, it means that at least one genset breaker is on. If we consider the utility, in case the utility symbol is neither green nor gray, it means that all mains breakers are off. If the symbol is green, it means that at least one mains breaker is on. In case the PV symbol is neither gray nor green, it means that the start signal is not present. In case the PV symbol is green, it means that the start signal is present. In case the PV start button has a vertical line, it means that the stop signal is present and the button can be clicked to start the PV plant. In case the PV button has a horizontal line, it means that the start signal is present and the button can be clicked to stop the PV plant. The same logical functionality applicable to the genset start-stop buttons if the genset management functionality enabled. Blue and orange arrows indicate active power and reactive power flow direction respectively. On the left-hand side of the sources, two blue bar graphs are shown. The one to the left shows the active power loading of the source in percentage. The one to the right shows the deviation from the active power reference in percentage. On the right-hand side of the sources, two orange bar graphs are shown. The one to the left shows the reactive power loading of the source in percentage. The one to the right shows the deviation from the reactive power reference in percentage. How to check the readings of genset and its power meters. If you click on the genset, you will open the page where you can monitor its production, loading, fuel consumption, produced energy and emission values. The same page has the option to read genset power meter readings. Click on it to open the power meter readings. There you can see each power meters with default meter names and the readings displayed respectively. In case the communication failing to power meters, NA sign will appear, which means there is no valid communication. If you click on each meters, you can check detail readings and even you can edit genset meter label. On the right hand corner you can check the assigned input status. If the any input available, the status will be indicated with digit 1 instead 0. Next to it, communication status will be indicated. A thumbs up signal means communication to the power meters is present. And the blue button is used for disconnect and reconnect the power meter communication. Clicking the load icon leads to the page where more detailed information of the load can be found. And power meter readings can be checked if your installation connected to power meters. If you click the command panel button, it will lead to the page below where the button commands and status indications are displayed. Clicking the sensor to get overview of all the meteorological readings is provided. If a reading is not supported or communication to the sensor or inverter providing the reading is failing, the readings will be displayed as NA. Consult the Modbus master documentation on Incoming website for detailed information about what data is read from the various sensor and inverter models. Click to see the overview of I/O module status. In case a reading is not supported or communication to the I/O module is failing, the readings will be displayed as NA. Finally, you can test the simulation. In case the simulation enabled under the setting, you will see the watermark simulation text sign on the page. Simulation has the possibility to play with a simulator setting. Thank you for watching the video. This video presented by Nkumi. For more information, please visit our website www.mcomb.com.